Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. We start off with this Pixie haircut. This one features a brilliant color change to this gorgeous gray hue. This is absolutely stunning. Love this hair color. So next up we have someone trying out the undercolor trend. Looks like they're going to be getting blue. Oh, wow. Money piece highlights in the front. Absolutely stunning bob haircut. And I am of course loving this pop of blue. So we move on to the next one. Looks like she might be getting a pixie. Oh, gorgeous Peter Pan classic style pixie cuts. Oh, she looks amazing. Such a stunning hairstyle. I absolutely love this paired with her overalls. Such a cute and chic vibe. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles spotted within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a beautiful purple bob haircut. This color is so bold and vibrant, really accents the cut beautifully. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair. Now she has a nice natural, thick, wavy texture to her strands. Oh, beautiful asymmetrical pixie style. I love that the stylist kept her texture intact. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then we have someone rocking out a bright blonde bob. So there the stylist is cutting the hair. This is such a beautiful bright blonde color. And the stylist puts in some waves for some texture. Beautiful tousled bob style. So next up we have another hair transformation. Looks like the stylist is doing a pixie bob for this one. Very popular hair trend that we're seeing. And this is a great hairstyle option if you are looking to add some volume to your hair. And this one does feature a few pops of blonde sprinkled in. Nice and chic. Oh, wow. Beautiful bob haircuts. This one features a lot of volume in the crown. And the blonde highlights look gorgeous. So next up we have someone rocking like ginger colored hair. Looks like the stylist is doing layers for this particular style. Cutting the ends, trimming the hair. I think what I like most about this particular haircut is, yes, she does get some volume from the layeredness, but I really adore the color. If you follow this channel already, you know that copper and ginger hair colors are just really my jam right now. I think that they are absolutely gorgeous. And look how much volume she has in this haircut. Absolutely incredible. She looks amazing. So it looks like we have another long to short transformation into a bob haircut. Stylist does a blunt and simple cut. Oh, very nice. And this bob comes to just around the shoulder blade. Nice, simple, chic, and effortless. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.